Hello and welcome to Cornwall. My name's Andy Paramore, this is Andy's Cornish Creations, and in this video I will be using this piece of Hawthorn. You can see it's still got the bark on and a bit of moss and stuff, and I'm going to be making hopefully making a Bud Vase. So what I want to do, I'll try to do, is to leave the bark on the bottom section. I'm going to turn a tenon on there so I can mount it on the bottom, and then turn a vase shape from about a third or halfway up, and turn it and put a little lip on the top and just have a small hole for a bud, hence the Bud Vase. Yeah, so hopefully it'll be a nice, simple project, just out of a bit of off-cut branch. As my regulars will probably be able to hear, it's raining again quite steadily here in Cornwall, which is nothing new. But I'm indoors with the stove on as well, so we're good to go. Let's get over to the lathe and see what we can do with it. Cheers. Okay, the first job is going to be to create the tenon on the bottom so we can turn it around and mount it on the chuck. Turn about 800 revs. Okay, got it mounted on the chuck, turned around, mounted on the chuck, and I'm going to start about halfway and creep down until I think it looks right. It certainly doesn't want to be any more than halfway, but I'm not sure how much left, so we'll just take it a bit at a time and see how it goes. About 950 revs out of it. My rest a bit closer. I quite like this, with the little bits left on there and the moss. We'll leave that on as well, and I'll just start. I'll shape this and bring it back and leave a little bit of a neck on there. I think it's got a couple of cracks here, but we're going to have to live with those. Let's see what we can do with it. Okay, quite like that. It's really simple. It's slightly, you see it there, it is off centre, which wasn't deliberate, but I quite like as well. So I'm going to take that top down. I'll leave a little dimple in the middle so that when I come to bring up my drill bit, I've got something to aim for. Right, let's take that down. There we go. We'll get the drill set up, drill it out, finish the top off, and then get it sanded. Right, I'm going to sand down to 320 now. I'll come back to you when the sanding's done. Okay, it's sanding down to 320 grit. I'm going to apply some abrasive paste. Take off any excess paste. That's a lovely little area there. A little feature there where the little branches being cut off. it has cracked a fair bit there because it's green. It's green wood, but well, it's just part of the nature. Right, I'll do the same to the top, and then we'll see about getting that tenon off. Okay, we've got it turned round again, and just going to take the tenon off. Made the bottom slightly concave. Turn the speed down low and get it close to separating. There we go. Nice neat bottom, bit of sand in, and it's good to go. Okay, so there we have it. A little bud vase with the bark left on, a little limb just sticking out there a little bit, but sloped up a touch so that it's not directly on the surface. And we've got a bit of moss left. I'll leave that on, see if it stays on. I don't think there's any reason why not. And yeah, not a lot of figure in the wood, but I like that little bit there. That's really nice. And yeah, it's a nice pale colour. There's a few cracks in the top. It is green wood, so we're just going to have to live with those. But overall, yeah, really simple little project. I quite like the idea that it's a little bit offset. Just adds to the interest, and quite an easy turn, really. So there you go. I'll put it on the turntable and take some pictures and put them up at the end. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video, so give it a little thumbs up and share. If you haven't subscribed already, it'd be great if you did. And to all my existing subscribers, thanks for sticking with me. And also, if you could leave a comment, that'd be great. I enjoy reading the comments, and I do reply to them all. Yeah, I really enjoy getting them, so that'd be great. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the video. The rain, I think, has just stopped. It looks like there might even be a bit of sunshine outside. You can see behind me there, it's looking fairly bright. And so from And now sunny Cornwall, this is Andy Paramore, Andy's Cornish Creations, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.